So give me a lap or two and then I'll start giving you some feedback.
Yeah, sure.
Biggest suggestion is try stay on the clear dirt now, because that's where the grip will be.
Yep.
So as soon as you go on the loose shit, that's when it gets slippery, so stay on the cleared stuff.
Yep.
Keep it on the cleared stuff and then go. Stay on the gear stuff. Yeah.
Sorry.
Too early on the power there, bud.
Yeah.
So what you got to remember when you're on a road like this, the best thing to do is to go into a corner sideways and drive straight out.
Okay.
Yeah, brake hard and flick it out so it slides, and then on the power when you see the exit, don't get on too early. So go hard, 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 hard.
Brake
and turn hard, let it slide. Don't power yet, don't power yet, power now. So when you see it straight, then you're on the power. So
Right.
brake, turn, then start powering out. Go, 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 go. Brake, brake, brake. Beautiful. Excellent. Yeah. Too early on the power. Oh, there we go. Good job. Nice balance. Brake, brake, brake. Now turn hard. Off the power. Off the power. So you got to come off the power for the back end to come out.
Yeah.
Remember, it's not rear wheel drive, yeah?
Yeah, I think that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to drive it like the 86.
Yes. And you can't. As soon as you get on the power, it starts understeering. That's what all-wheel drives do.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
Second, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I got it now.
Brake. Still a bit too early on the power there.
Okay.
Because you see how it started washing you to the outside?
Yes.
If you have to steer into it more, coming out of a corner, you know you've got onto the power too early.
Okay. So you're trying to keep as smooth as possible.
Yeah, what you got to do is you got to get it sideways into the corner and drive straight out, basically.
Okay.
As soon as you start turning more when you're coming out of a corner, you've got on the power too early.
Okay.
So go hard, hard, hard. Brake, turn, come off the power. Pow, 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 pow. Just ran a bit wide into the slippery stuff, that's all. Stay on the dry stuff. careful not to counter steer too much, because with the rear wheel drive you counter steer a lot, whereas an all wheel drive, if you keep your wheels straight, you can use your right foot instead.
So right foot's for counter steering.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, because if you counter steer too much, it starts pushing the car to the outside straight away, and as soon as you get on the power, it's going to be even made even worse. So the idea with the all wheel drive is slide the car in, but then keep the wheels straight and use your power to push it out again.
Okay, yep.